The Synod on Synodality is entering its third week in Rome, and one church leader is warning against fatigue. Cardinal Jean-Claude Hollerich asked participants to have the same energy now as they did when the process began. This week, the global gathering will focus on the Church's authority. EWTN Vatican Bureau Chief Andreas Thonhauser has more.
Benediciamo il Signore.
Synod participants arrive at the Vatican for the third week of Synod discussions, explaining a new part of the Synod's working document that focuses on the theme of places. Synod General Rapporteur Cardinal Jean-Claude Hollerich noted how this phase of the Synod will focus on relationships established between cultures and the diverse needs of churches and communities around the world.
Il Santo Padre ci ha convocato qui.
The Holy Father has summoned us here to listen to our advice, including on how to make his service and that of the Roman Curia more effective today. He is entitled to know what we really think, starting from the lives and needs of the people of God in the places which we come.
Nei luoghi di cui proveniamo.
Reflecting on the meaning of synodality, Bishop Barron spoke with EWTN News' Colm Flynn in an exclusive interview, emphasizing the importance of lay participation in the Church and the world.
You know, the famous question, what is synodality? What do you mean? To me, it's clearer this time around. I would say three basic things. Wider consultation, greater accountability, greater transparency are the marks of synodality.
Different Eastern Catholic churches are also present at the Synod. Archbishop Philip Kocsis, president of the Council of the Hungarian Church, explained how different experiences and perspectives make the Catholic Church truly universal.
For us, it's very interesting as well to see that the others had a very different problems like the ours. I see that we can help to encourage, for example, and to share our own experience. Who can compare one and each other.
Tomorrow, Synod participants will gather for the weekly Mass at St. Peter's Basilica and continue their theological pastoral forums to discuss the way the Church on mission can apply synodality.
So the big topic this week is decentralization. So to what degree can local churches and not the Vatican here have the authority and the power to make doctrinal decisions? So the Synod delegates are actually considering a proposal this week to give national bishops' conferences doctrinal authority to make some of those tough decisions on teaching and discipline in their own context instead of here in the Vatican.
In Rome, Andreas Thonhauser, EWTN News Nightly.